Hello, I am M. McCabe-Rentz, and this is my 29169 Community Literacy Analysis for SLIS 751, Libraries, Literacy, and Literature for the Fall 2019 semester, submitted on November the 11th, 2019. So let's begin looking at the 29169 Community Literacy Analysis. If the community is a cell, then literacy is an atom, a small but mighty part of the whole that gives the community cell special characteristics. Literacy enhances community members' lives and their personal skill sets. This, in turn, increases their chances for personal success and therefore raises the success of the community. Now let's look at the literacy atoms we find in the community. First off is the Casey West Columbia Library Branch, part of the Lexington County Public Library System. Lexington County Public Libraries and the Casey West Columbia Library Branch specifically are committed to literacy and providing literacy resources, services, and programming to the 29169 community. Let's look at their mission and values. This can be found on the Lexington County Public Library's website. Also, you can access it if you access just the branch website. The mission and values. The Lexington County Public Library's mission is to provide access to quality resources that provide lifelong literacy for the Lexington County community. Their vision is to be the first step for cultivating lifelong learning in the Lexington County community. Literacy is the key component in both the mission and vision of the Lexington County Public Library. The library system's commitment to lifelong literacy is evident through the myriad material formats and programming. Let's take a look at the programs and services that they offer at the Casey West Columbia Library Branch. They provide materials, programming, and services to the 29169 community members. Multiple literacies are reinforced through monthly events. Some events incorporate multiple literacies into one program. For early literacy, they have story times such as baby, toddler, family, and preschool. These teach early literacy skills to parents to continue the work at home and also increases the literacy skills of the young children. They also support technology literacy through individual sessions and programming such as Tech Talk, where they have a specific topic. This month's topic is Goodreads, where they assist users to set up and navigate the Goodreads website for book recommendations. The Casey West Columbia Library also supports game and social literacies through programming for Bridge, Canasta, an escape room, game day for grown-ups, and library after hours. There is also creative writing literacy enhanced through the NaNoWriMo workshop. Food and health literacy through Cooking Matters pop-up tour, which is a community partnership with DHEX SnapEd. Color Yourself Calm, and yoga, which is another community partnership with Mind Body Health. There is also reading literacy through multiple book clubs. Some are focused on a specific genre or an age range. Then we learn about community literacy through various programs. Also, various topics for multiple ages. Teen Scene and Tween Extreme, for example. The Teen Scene offers For the Dogs, which is a community partnership with the Lexington County Animal Services, and also the Native American Cooking Community Literacy Program partners with the Casey Historical Museum. These are just a few examples of the programs and services that Casey West Columbia Library provides on a monthly basis to increase community literacy. Now let's look at community support. The City of West Columbia created a literacy resolution. This was signed on February 6, 2018 by the City of West Columbia Mayor Miles. The Literacy Resolution acknowledges the importance of literacy in the community and the efforts by community organizations, including the Casey West Columbia Branch Library, to increase literacy among community members. The resolution states, whereas the City of West Columbia hereby declares that reading and literacy is a priority for the City of West Columbia. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the Mayor and City Council of the City of West Columbia hereby supports We Read SC, Cocky's Reading Express, Casey West Columbia Branch Library, and Lexington School District 2 in their continued literacy efforts. Other support in the community comes in the form of partnerships between the Casey West Columbia branch and outside entities. Organizations located within the 29169 zip code are already working together to increase community literacy. Partnerships between the Casey West Columbia Branch Library and outside entities have been established in an effort to increase community literacy. Partnering organizations include DHEC SNAP Ed, Mind Body Health, and the Casey Historical Museum. Now let's look at the next steps. Brainstorm. What are the next steps for increasing literacy in the community? We can look at the data about the literacy levels of community members and the information about community organizations that support community literacies. Where do they overlap? What is missing? What can we add to fill the need? Organizations like PESOs that support literacy for a specific demographic, English language learners, may provide the support needed to increase the skills of community members. Thank you for your time in looking at the 29169 Community Literacy Analysis. If you are interested in exploring any more of the resources, please check my references. Thank you very much.